These are abnormally large dogs that actually exist. Number 15. Giant Poodle. The poodle has a reputation as being something of a show dog, once upon a time seen on Paris's chicest street, all groomed into weird patterns by ladies of high society. But while the poodle and their owners once gave the impressions of being snobby, fussy, and vain, this dog is actually one of the most intelligent breeds. And even if they have long gone out of fashion on the Champs-Élysées, the poodle remains a very smart and highly trainable dog.
Give me my glove. Okay. Cody.
They are not usually known for their size, but one poodle in China has blown up the internet by being an absolute monster. These massive poodles dwarf their owners, and you can see the struggle these people in Beijing have in just trying to lift up one of these giant pooches.